everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. Welcome back if you're a regular viewer, and if you aren't, then hi, my name's Kate and I make videos about lifestyle, fashion, interiors, mum life, that kind of thing. So I would love it if you would go down there and click subscribe. So we're now into week 7, I think, of lockdown, which is crazy. We've just done another weekly food shop. My husband Ricky has just been out and got it, and we've cleaned it all. I know not everyone's doing that, but some people are, and we just, I don't know, we are. And you guys seem to really enjoy when I did a food shopping haul a few weeks ago, so I thought I would show you another one. Everything today was from Asda, and I did loads of disclaimers in my last video, like we are buying more than normal because we're all at home, and we are buying more treats than normal because I feel like most people are, and they feel like, I don't know, like they need to treat themselves a little bit because of the situation. So I'll just leave that there because it does get boring, but please know this is a lot more than a normal weekly shop for us. And yeah, hopefully it will last us that bit more than a week because we just want to go out as little as possible. So that's all my little intro and disclaimers out of the way. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to show you what we've got, what dinner ideas we have, because Rick's done them all this week. So yeah, I'm going to share it all with you now. Let's go. So I usually start with the veg, but the milk is here. So we have 2 6 pints. Why is that funny? Because you threw the milk there. Yeah. Ricky's here with me, by the way. Hi. He's just helping me out in case I get anything wrong with the dinner ideas. So 2 6 pints of milk kind of gets us through a week. We drink a lot of milk, yeah. This is with the boys at home all the time, obviously. All 4 of us use it though, that's why. Yeah, we do. So on to the veg. So we've got some red onions, we've got some shredded iceberg lettuce and flat leaf parsley. What are these both for? The
iceberg lettuce is for burgers for the barbecue and my lunches, and the parsley is going into the Swedish meatballs. Oh,
I'll get on to the dinner ideas in a minute, so they should probably be over there, but they're for dinners. Then we've got some orange, yellow and red peppers there. We kind of have these a lot with at least 1 or 2 dinners a week, don't we? Weeks, yeah. We've got some carrots and also some cucumber, which is just good for cutting up for the boys for snacks and for us. And we've got some dips as well for those. But these will also be for our roast dinner on Sunday, won't they? Yeah. Then we've got some avocados. I usually eat these for lunches and stuff. And then we've got garlic, because garlic just makes every dinner taste so much better. We've got some baby leaf spinach, which again will be for lunches and dinners. And then 2 packs of spring onions. Well, I've got 2 packs this week.
One of them is a garnish for one of the meals we're making this week. Garnish. And the other one we just generally use for the week.
I eat a lot of these. I love spring onions in salads and stuff. So we've got 2 of those this week, so that's good.
Just point out, I don't normally buy the ready trimmed, fully packed ones. We normally just
buy the there is a lot of packaging
spring
here.
Onion, but they didn't have any today.
Fruit. So we've got 2 packs of the Pink Lady apples,
which
apples
are ever.
The boys' favourites. Yeah, we all love these. They're just so nice. They are more expensive, but they always get eaten because they just taste so nice. Then we've got red and green grapes, because grapes are the boys' favourites, and then also strawberries. These again just generally for a snack, and I like to do chocolate covered strawberries as well, so they will come in handy. We've got some raspberries again for lunches, and bananas, breakfast, lunches and stuff like that. Then over here is a little bit of a breakfast section. We've got some Rice Krispies, which the boys just seem to really like at the moment, which is good because they're kind of not eating as many Cocoa Pops, which is always nice. And Weetabix, these are the ones with the little chocolate chips in, and I love these, and Archie loves those as well. You can probably hear him right now. So they're really nice, and I eat these every morning. So we've got those, obviously bananas for lunches. Then we've got peanut butter. The boys get through this like in ridiculous amounts. I'm surprised we don't just have like a huge vat of it. And then we've got some strawberry seedless jam and some porridge oats as well, so that will definitely keep us going for breakfast. And then here is lunch, well, some lunch things. Obviously some of the vegetables and fruit are also included in the lunch section. We've got some sliced cheddar, which I'm assuming is for the barbecue, because we usually wouldn't buy like the pre-packaged one like this, but anyway, we've also got light Philadelphia and chive Philadelphia, which is nice. Ricky's, is this a salad for you?
That is for my lunch day, because I've been shopping. I just need something to eat quickly, because I feel a bit funny.
Yeah, so do I. It is nearly lunchtime, so we all kind of need to eat. So
that Philadelphia is also for a recipe.
Oh, right.
Bacon, mac and cheese.
Okay, so we've got that. We've got some of these John West jacket toppers, which I have on bagels and jacket potatoes and things. These are really, really nice. And then the boys have some Fridge Raiders chicken bites. We've got some ham, mayonnaise. We've got some Paw Patrol yogurts because the boys really like those. And then Ricky has these Millicona fruit ones. And then also some tins of cream of tomato soup. I'm a bit of a fan of this at the moment. So yeah, I love the Baxter's cream of tomato soup. And then this is where it gets a bit naughty. This is the treat section. So we've got some Wotsits. I don't like Wotsits that much, but the boys all do. And Pringles. I actually don't think I've got Kettle Crisps. I don't know why they're over there, but they are. Then some treats for the boys. I've got some of these Bear Paws. These are the mango and carrot ones. And then the Fruitylicious Bakes, Fruit Winders, which are Elliot's favourites, or Fruit Winders as he calls them, Barney Bears and Ice Gems. And then we've got a couple of bars of chocolate, which will be for if we do any baking or chocolate strawberries or anything. Oh, I forgot to show the Pepperamis as well. They're a lunch thing. And then the boys have also got some cheese strings, which they're liking at the moment for lunch. And then, yeah, more treats. We've got chocolate buttons, penguins. Are they mint ones? Oh, I do like a mint penguin.
Because we keep running out through the week, so I just thought if I get a bar of something, then you've got something else to snack.
Are these for a recipe?
All of these are for the marshmallow Rice Krispie cakes.
Yeah, so people asked to see your recipe on that, didn't they?
Yes, so I made them and then I didn't film it because I didn't think anyone would like it. But apparently everyone loves Mars bars, so I'm going to film it this week. So
you're going to film that. So yeah,
and
we've got
these
those.
are for movie night.
Movie night snacks for Archie, Haribo probably for Rick, Dairy Milk for me. Double. So yeah, we are just having a few treats, as we said, but I think it's good every now and again. I would not have got this much, but I wasn't the one that went shopping and I'm not mad about it. So so I'm just gonna let it go. So we've got some bagels, which I've kind of set this out a bit wrong because they're in the lunch section, but it really doesn't matter. Rick decides every week to buy these little miniature cans of Coke and Sprite, and we've got only 2 Copperbergs this week, which is a bit sad. Why do you only have 2?
Because you've got a massive bottle of tequila somewhere.
No, it's nearly finished.
Oh yeah, and then you're in trouble.
Oh no, it's sunny as well. So we've got blueberry and lime, and there's not even my favourite ones.
Yeah, passion fruit.
No, my favourite's the elderflower.
Oh, they didn't have any.
Oh, right, so anyway, we've got 2 of them. And we've got some bin liners, which is really exciting. We've got some grease-proof paper, I guess, for baking. And also kitchen foil, so we've obviously nearly run out of that.
Yeah.
Then we've got some olive oil and some vegetable oil. Again, probably nearly run out. We've also got some stock pots, some unsalted butter, which will be for baking. And then just stuff for the store cupboard, like balsamic glaze.
This is for the recipes as well.
Yeah. Sweet chilli, light soy, and ketchup, which we obviously just needed. Some Kettle Crisps, and also some Lenore Unstoppables. These are the spring ones. They smell amazing. And then we got some toothpaste for us, new toothbrushes for the boys because they get through these so quickly. So they love these little animal ones. Some sponges and also some lemon and lime squash. And then over here we have some dinner ideas. So we're going to have a roast on Sunday, and this is what we usually get. This is one of the roast in the bags tasty chickens. They're really nice. Some stuffing balls, some potatoes to make roast potatoes, and then obviously veg, gravy, that kind of stuff. We've also got some Caesar little pouches that we add to the dog's food because they really like those, and some dips, which are probably for the barbecue, and then also 2 bird's eye chicken, like sun fried chicken, just for the freezer. We just like to have things like that as a backup. And then coming over here, there is so much meat this week. You can tell my husband would never be a vegetarian. I definitely could be a vegetarian, but I mean, yeah, there's a lot of meat, but that's because we've got 3 sunny days, so we're hoping to have a few barbecues. We would not buy this much meat on a regular basis, but I'm just going to try and talk through it, but Rick knows what everything's for. So the burgers are for the barbecue.
Yeah, burgers, chipotle and maple chicken wings.
Oh, they look really nice.
Yeah, they do, yeah.
Barbecue.
Yogurt and herb are for the skewers that I make.
For the barbecue though.
For the barbecue,
yep.
Koftas are for the barbecue, again, another family favourite.
Yeah.
The chicken is for the salt and pepper chicken that I've I'll be making this week.
So what ingredients are in that? That, the rice.
That and the rice, spring onion and peppers.
Is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Oh, that's quite a simple dinner.
Yeah, it's very easy, simple dinner.
It's really
quick
nice
to make.
because you made it before, haven't you?
And it's super tasty.
Yeah, really nice.
The diced beef is for the beef and noodles, which I'm going to be making.
And is that obviously just the beef?
Beef noodles with a spring onion relish or garnish, I think they said it was.
Okay.
I found the recipe online, so I thought I'd give it a whirl.
Okay, so but it has got like soy sauce and other bits.
Yeah, it's got loads of other stuff which you've already spoken about.
So we can film. We're going to film a week of meal ideas, so you'll see some of these in that.
The mince is for the one pot meatballs. So again, another easy meal.
Is that what the pasta's for?
So the pasta, they didn't have any macaroni pasta.
Right.
So I had to get the next best thing, which unfortunately was that. I know it's quite big, but it'll still do.
Yeah, it'll still be fine. So we're going to have macaroni cheese as well. So we've got some grated cheddar here. The sausages are for the barbecue.
Yep.
They're also barbecue.
And the bacon is also for the mac and cheese.
So we're going to have bacon, mac and cheese this week. And then over here we've just got some bread to freeze and to use now. We also have burger buns and hot dog buns, again for the barbecue.
We won't use all them in one go though, some of that will be frozen.
Yeah, so that will last us a while. And then just over here, the boys have got these fruit shoot hydros. They love these. Again, they just get one of these a week, so they get 4 each. And then that's it. We've got some baby wipes, a 4-pack of orange juice, smooth, and some dog food. And that is everything. So that's everything we got in this week's shop. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing kind of a little glimpse into what another family get each week in their shopping. Let me know, as always, if you have any good dinner ideas. I think that's always really nice to share in the comments below. It helps other people out and gives everyone a little bit of inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said at the start, if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to go and click that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. And if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up so that I know to make more of them. Have a lovely rest of the week, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.